Hi everybody, it's Dr. Hifai. What I'm going to be doing today is an ankle adjustment. Andrea went on a really long hike, so when you're hiking incline or coming down decline on a hill, you can jar what's called your talus. So your talus is right through here. So I'm just going to rotate you in, hold on to the table. And sometimes you're going to hear audible and sometimes you're not. I'm going to just pop your shoe off real quick. We'll try one more time. Ready? There you go. Any pain?
No.
And do a little circle.
It feels
So
good.
good. And you're feeling it in this ankle too?
Yeah, I am.
Okay, so I'm going to take your shoe off.
Okay.
So same thing, hold on to the table. Ready? That one you feel just gapping.
Yeah.
And circle. Any pain or discomfort?
No.
And flex. Any pain?
Good.
Point. And you were having pain right through here.
I was.
And that's called a talus adjustment, ankle adjustment. So if you see your chiropractor and you're having ankle pain, have them try that one. Have a great one.